So what drove my organization to put a strategic focus on digital commerce? Well, first of all, it's lowering cost to serve. We have customers that are calling, asking for a price, or maybe they want to do a quote. So obviously there's that piece of it. I also think there's a lot more people who frankly don't want to call anymore. The preference is to go online, find the information, and be able to complete that transaction right then if possible. Obviously there's an opportunity for growth. So e-commerce represents, for a manufacturer like Brady, we can drive traffic to our website and hopefully complete that transaction right then while the customer is looking. And at the end, I think we're trying to make it easy for the customers. So if they're going to come to the manufacturer, they're going to be there to find the information they need, and rather than send them off into a totally separate flow where they have to find a distributor maybe and then go separately to their website, have to find the product again, by enabling digital commerce on our own website and on sites like Amazon, they can complete it right then. Why is Insite the right solution for our business? I've been involved in a few different e-commerce implementations in my career. I've done one of the big 3 or 4 in my career. I've also rolled my own. And one of the things that I've learned is that Insite is in the sweet spot of complexity for the capability you're getting. You can buy kind of upstream a little bit, but you're going to get a very complex solution. Implementation takes longer, the licensing costs more, everything is just more. Probably need a bigger team to run it, which I know is true. You can go downstream a little bit and you're going to end up with maybe a capability or a platform that is maybe good for B2C or simple scenarios, but doesn't connect with that B2B kind of complex environment that manufacturers like Brady have to deal with. I look at how Insite has this heritage of being B2B at its core. One of the things that I appreciate is that, for instance, you understand that there's systems of record in companies like mine, and your architecture and APIs make it easy to interact with those in a safe way with the platform without treating the Insite platform as the place to push all the data. So the integration pieces, the flexibility of the platform, and again, getting back to that, it's the right level of complexity for the costs that we're paying and the solutions that it serves.